The OnePlus 13T is an upcoming compact flagship smartphone that has already attracted attention due to its blend of high-end features and manageable size. It is expected to come with a 6.31-inch flat OLED display, offering a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals and vibrant clarity. Under the hood, it will likely be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, positioning it as a powerhouse performer despite its compact frame. One of its standout features is the rumored 6,200 mAh battery, which is unusually large for a phone this size, and it's said to support 80W wired fast charging. In terms of camera capabilities, the OnePlus 13T is expected to feature a dual-lens rear camera system, consisting of a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, offering versatility and sharp results. The device will likely sport a premium design with a metal frame and glass back, enhancing both aesthetics and durability. The official launch is rumored for April 2025, starting in China with a global rollout to follow. While all of these details are based on leaks, they paint a promising picture of a compact flagship ready to challenge the big players.